What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. I'm out here in Dallas, Texas, checking out a very cool project. We did an upgrade here. This is an existing home, a typical situation that you would see where it's just wired for a couple stereo speakers, older home down here in Dallas. We had some existing speakers hooked up, but we wanted to take it to the next level. Customer got some new furniture. They got a few different seating arrangements out here. They want the kids to be able to play in the yard. So we put in this beautiful 2000 nit Samsung Terrace outdoor TV. It has anti-glare. It's insanely bright, QLED. Thing is totally waterproof. You don't have to worry about it. We put it on an articulating arm so that the customer can experience it from anywhere outside, and she is absolutely thrilled by the performance. In addition to our video setup, we also upgraded the audio for a little bit newer technology so that she has an application. Sonos is one of our best-selling distributed audio, very easy to use platform. So we installed a Sonos amp on her existing two speakers out here, the Yamaha outdoor speakers that are in place. And what's really great about the Sonos Arc is we have the Sonos Arc hooked up to the TV through the Arc input. That means that anything that's playing on the television is going to output through our speakers, and they can control the volume and everything over the eArc. In addition to that, they can play separate content. So say she wants to have the game going here, you can have music playing throughout the speakers, and it's expandable. So regardless of how many speakers they want to add inside, you can independently play music to every single zone or group rooms together. So say they have like the sports game going out here, they can have the sports game tied to the speakers and then have that group together with other rooms. You can also do combos. You can have like music going in certain areas of the home for certain people that are enjoying, maybe they don't want to watch the game. You can have music going for them, and then you can have the game going outdoors. Really, really flexible solution that we're thrilled to offer here at Dreamedia. This is a quick little demo just to show how easy it is to control the volume and pair different rooms together. You can even just do it right here. In addition to that, you have all your sources here. You can put line ins for like old school devices, such as like CD players, MP3 players, or turntables. You can grab different rooms off of, say, like the TV and pair that together with other rooms. You can see they have Apple Music. There's every single music service that you could possibly want. It's very simplistic, super easy to use, and affordable. We love Sonos.
Ones who get it done wear a lot of hats. That's why we're always here for you with professional grade products and the knowledge to help answer tough product questions. Call, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
Monday night, Big East basketball returns with the opening night tip-off show on FS1.
What's great is they also have an EQ right here where you can go in and adjust your bass, treble, balance, all right here through the application. I'd like to add one other thing, guys. Although these TVs are outdoor and you can just let the rain hit it, we sell outdoor covers that are additional. They can keep the dust and things like that off of the television. So be sure to ask your specialist about an outdoor cover and any other accessories that could potentially go along with your TV. There's so many different varieties and ways that we can set up these backyards. As an example, in this case, we decided to use the existing homeowner's Yamaha speakers and tied that to a Sonos amp. You can also do the Terrace soundbar. And we also carry another brand called Titan, who weatherizes products like the Sonos Arc and the Sonos Beam, which was featured in another video that I shot earlier today. We had the Samsung Terrace featuring the Sonos Beam with the Titan outdoor coating on it. So we have a lot of options to choose from, and they're all specific to each individual circumstance and budget. All right, guys, so we're showing off this awesome little Sonos Samsung Terrace outdoor TV setup, and I have my customer April here. I wanted you to give them a little insight into how much you're loving this product, the setup, as well as the customer service that Dreamedia provided.
I love it. It's been a great setup. Dreamedia has taken care of me. Everyone from Kellen to Zach have been great with me with Dreamedia, and I love having my Samsung Terrace TV out here. It has changed my whole outdoor living experience. It's the best thing to watch Sunday football and Thursday night football out on the patio. Customer service is great, easy to work with. All my equipment got shipped to me in a very timely manner. They took care of all my customer needs and provided just excellent customer service throughout this whole experience, and I will use Dreamedia again for another product.
Sonos and Samsung. It's really hard to beat, guys, but we do everything from very simple setups like this to complex, full-blown distributed audio systems throughout backyards with satellite speakers, in-wall speakers. We can even do in-ground subwoofers to bring a little bit of bass to the space. Regardless of the scope of your project, Dreamedia has all the industry-leading brands and would love the opportunity to earn your business. So reach out today for a free video consultation with one of my specialists. We're nationwide and we would love the opportunity to earn your business. Whether it's home theater, whole house audio, or hi-fi, we got you covered, guys. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and be sure to smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.